everyone, it's been a really long time since we've done a video, so this is going to be a simple paint with me video and I hope you'll like it. So let's start. For this video, I'm painting a box quote with some florals as decoration. So I'm just mixing some colors. I'm using these water pastels for my background color, and once I have that all down, I just let it dry. And now I'm going to add some florals with gouache, and I'll be using the ones from Arteza. Normally I'll have a reference photo to help me along and give me ideas, but since I'm using my photo to record this, I'm just sort of winging it and placing them here and there. So it's actually good practice for me. They don't have to be perfect, but just try to do some sort of loose and squiggly movements with your brush and to just keep a flower shape. Once you have your flowers down, you can now add some leaves and stems, just enough so it looks balanced. Lastly, I'm adding these sort of plant branches. I don't know what they're called, but I just think they look pretty and they add to the flower arrangements. And lastly, with a white gel pen, you can just add in some little white dots to finish it off, and you can just let it all dry and it's done. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.